kickstarting this guide with the first step, defining your niche. Your niche is your passion or your business's speciality. Being specific about your niche is crucial. If you're a fitness enthusiast, instead of saying fitness, you might consider home workouts for busy moms or bodybuilding for beginners. The more specific your niche is, the easier it is to stand out and identify your audience. Remember, a clearly defined niche is the foundation of finding your target audience. Step 2 involves some detective work, conducting market research. Tap into tools like Google Trends for insights on trending topics and what people are searching for. Social media analytics can reveal who's engaging with your content, while surveys can help you understand your audience's needs and preferences. Don't overlook your competition either. Knowing what they're doing well or not so well can give you a competitive edge. Armed with market research, you're one step closer to identifying your target audience. Now it's time to get creative and craft buyer personas. What's a buyer persona, you ask? Well, it's a detailed profile of your ideal audience. Let's create one together, shall we? Meet Fitness Fiona. She's a 35-year-old working mom who's into quick and effective home workouts. She's often short on time, so she needs something efficient. With this profile, we can tailor our content to match Fiona's needs. Buyer personas act as a compass, guiding your content or product development to match your audience's needs. If you already have an audience, let's not forget to analyze them. This step is crucial, as it gives you a snapshot of who's already engaged with your content or product. Dive into your social media insights and website analytics. Look for patterns in demographics, interests, and engagement levels. What posts do they like? What products are they buying? The answers to these questions can help you understand your audience better. Remember, existing audience analysis provides valuable insights to refine your target audience. Finding your target audience is an iterative process. It involves testing and refining. Think of it like tuning a radio to find the right frequency. You can leverage the power of A/B testing, where you compare two versions of your content or strategy to see which performs better. For instance, experiment with different headlines, visuals, or even posting times. Pay attention to the results, adjust, and test again. Don't fear testing. It's your best friend in the journey of finding your target audience. Once you've identified your target audience, the next step is to engage and build relationships with them. This is more than just a business strategy. It's about creating a community. Respond to their comments, ask questions, show interest in their ideas. This genuine connection is what keeps your audience coming back, and it transforms them from casual viewers into loyal fans. Remember, behind every statistic is a real person. Engage with them, build relationships, and you're on your way to success.